rice half kg. Chicken and potatoes half kg. 2 blend tomatoes and onions. 1 sliced onion and 3 for chilies. 2 tablespoons of garam masala, Jhatpat red chili flakes and powder, salt, coriander seeds, and garlic powder. Add 2 glasses of water in it. Blend onions. One tablespoon of coriander seeds. 2 tablespoons of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of salt. Let it cook until it starts boiling. Add 1 cup of oil and sliced onions in it. Fry them until it's brown. Now add tomato paste. Subscribe for more. Stir it well. Add all the remaining spices in it. Give it a good mix. Now add chicken and potatoes in it. Mix them properly. If you're wondering why I add potatoes in it, so it's my way of chicken pulao. I like it in this way. Just try it once, you will be addicted. After adding green chilies in it, add some water and let cook on medium flame. If you don't know the difference of biryani and pulao, I'm sorry, I can't help. It's ready now. Add prepared yakni in it and wait until it starts boiling. Now wash your rice and add in it. Now cover with lid and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Are you ready? Look at this. Serve and enjoy. Subscribe for more.